My name is Tracy Panase and I organize the Just Between Friends sale in Reading. This is Berks County's largest kids consignment sale and the second largest kids consignment sale in the entire country. It's a marketplace where families can come together to sell things their kiddos no longer need or want and then buy things for the upcoming season. Parents can expect to save 50 to 90% off of retail for everything your child needs, from clothing, shoes, toys, games, puzzles, accessories, and then all of the big items for infants. So things like strollers, pack and plays, exercisers, it's all here at Body Zone in Wyomissing. At Just Between Friends, quality and safety are our utmost concerns. So all of the items that are here at the sale are carefully inspected so that clothing is in good condition, it's the proper season, all of the zippers work and the buttons button. Also, we're looking for safety. We carefully check all items to make sure that there are no recalls, that things are in good working order, and you can shop with a great deal of confidence.
Well, I've been doing JBF for almost 9 years since my daughter was an infant, and every time I come, I am able to find all the clothes that I'm looking for both seasons.
I'm so excited. I absolutely love JBF coming every fall and spring. I know I'm going to get amazing pieces for my sons for every season, and they're always going to be great quality at great prices.
New this year, we have a special visit from the crazy hot dog man of the Reading Phillies. He's going to be serving lunch from 12 to 4, free hot dogs, drink, and fries for our first 250 guests. And we're also giving out playoff tickets so you can cheer on the Reading Phillies while you shop the best bargains in all of Berks County. Another new exciting thing that we're doing is taking place on Saturday, September 7th. It's our first Kids Fest, and so we will have a magician, face painter, we will have characters for the kids, we will have crafts and activities, and the best part, it's all free. It's from 11 to 2 on Saturday, and so bring the whole family to shop at Just Between Friends and have some great family fun and entertainment. Reading is my hometown, and it gives me great pride to be able to work with local moms and dads like you and me, be able to say yes to things that their kiddos need or want for the upcoming season. They have access to brands such as Polo, Janie and Jack, Nike, Under Armour, you name it, we have it, and it's not going to break the bank. Come out to the sale. Our sale hours are Thursday and Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday, it's our last day. It's also the half price sale from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. We can't wait to see you at Body Zone, which is located at 3103 Paper Mill Road in Wyomissing. It only happens twice a year. This is one event you cannot afford to miss. We can't wait to see you at the sale.